Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Bonk. All right, I wanted to give you my thoughts. I mean, I'm covering a lot of meme coins right now, so I never really like to analyze meme coins that much because in terms of technicals, they're a little bit less predictable. But still, I mean, Bonk has just reached a new all-time high, I believe. The previous one was, as you can see right here. So we hit that all-time high. We even spiked above that, and that's just interesting. All right, I followed Bonk a lot. I yesterday looked at my first time I analyzed Bonk, and that was actually the start of 2023. All right, so that's, I mean, if I bought back then, I think it's like 100x or even more. But I did not. All right, so yeah. But let's get right into it. Right now, first of all, if we talk about the market circumstances, which we have to do, it's pretty euphoric, all right? So a lot of money is flowing to meme coins still. And I would say if you fundamentally think about that, and if you technically look at Bonk, it still looks bullish, all right? In short, that's the summary. However, the thing is that the funding rates are very high, all right? And at some point of time, this is going to stop. So Bonk now in the last, well, since Monday last week, has rallied a total of 200%. Now, do I think it's still bullish right now? Yes. And I also think it's most likely that we will continue up. But I also think you should be careful, all right? Just in general, be careful about what's next. I mean, Bonk, like I said, technically what's also true is that when a meme coin like Bonk hits the previous all-time high, what it usually does is it breaks above that, all right? So right now we have hit that all-time high. I would say we're still bullish. I mean, if you look at some further statistics like the open interest, what you'll see there, I think at least, is that the open interest is also still going up. You have a lot of spot buying right here. So I see no reason why Bonk would drop down here. I think it's most likely we will continue. My initial price target would probably be 40,000, which is a big psychological resistance level, of course, but ultimately, if we hit 40,000, I expect some resistance. But if we hit 40,000 and we hold our support at 35,000, I really think the main resistance is 50,000 up here, where we also have a 1.618 fib. So just in general, psychologically and technically, that's really the key price target. But for now, I think it's most likely we'll get up to 40,000. But getting up to 50,000 depends on how we react to 40,000. If we hit that level and we lose a lot of open interest and we get some major liquidations, then it's most likely that we'll get a bit of a pullback and that will consolidate. If we don't, we'll just continue up to 50,000 straight away. So those are my thoughts on it for now. Now, like I said, be careful, all right? Because the main thing is that we could have a major spike down. Now, given all the numbers we just looked at and given the market circumstances right now, I don't expect the market to just fully turn bearish for meme coins, at least. But I do think a spike down to something like 25,000 or 27,000 is to be expected, all right? That's no problem, a spike like that, unless we actually close down below that level. So if Bonk now actually closes below 30,000, for example, which I don't expect, but you should be prepared for it, then we have a problem, all right? Because that's a major bearish breakout. And if we actually break below that level, that means that it's not a spike, but that it's actually a huge sell-off. So be careful for that. But like I said, even with a big like 20-30% spike, I still think it's most likely we'll head up from here. So those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.